Hey, this is Wolfpack. Getting ready to go to the bush. Very soon. I seen my bike turned over today. Well, would have had gas in it, it probably would have started. Well, these are one of the Redneck Valley boys. Gonna have his bike ready by next weekend. We're also gonna sit there. We're gonna have to fix up a truck. Hey, not blowing anything around, but we're gonna sit there. We're gonna fix up a truck. We're gonna get her done, and I figure I can do it within a week. Well, fuck, it has no choice. Freaking me too far is coming too close. I'm going to be bike riding next week. Guaranteed. My bike started up on its own battery powered, and I didn't even cover the fucking damn thing. The snow came too fast. And couldn't do it. The friggin' thing. I put the key on, the friggin' thing turns green. And I said, well, fuck it. Mom,
gosh.
you're not gonna believe this. Mom, get the fuck out of the toilet. and I said, Jim, where's Mom? And Jim says, she's in the toilet. And I said, the fucking light turned green. So I said, I gotta fucking wait. So I went back over to the old Kawasaki Bayou. And I said, Mom, you gotta take a good look at this. The light turns green. She couldn't fucking believe it. She's like looking all over the place. She was looking for a green light all over the fucking bike. I said, no, right where the ignition is, when it says green. Right there, that means it's ready to start. I said, you gotta push the button like this. The fucking thing started under its own willpower. It survived a whole fucking winter.
My
What?
bike.
Well, the Kawasaki Bayou.
Oh, that's my bike.
Yeah, peace Annie's bike. We gotta get Wolfpack's bike up and running. Let's see how many people know things about Yamahas. This is our new project. But next week we're gonna at least go quadding. At least down one trail. That's a goal. And you know what? If you don't like ATVing, you don't like fishing, go paint your own fucking nails. That's the way I am. I love fishing. I love hunting. It's just me. Oh, I also love mechanics. That keeps me not from getting stuck in the bush knowing mechanics. Alright, well, I don't know how Wolfpack's supposed to do this one there because I forgot how to like end stuff, like just growl and just grab them and just grab them and just grab them. Go fishing. I'm Peace Annie and Wolfpack. We love you. Enjoy. Shit, my beer's gonna fucking foam up. Alright, love you.
Okay, make sure you say bye.
Oh shit, I never said bye. I thought I was doing that.
Oh.
Oh fuck. Okay, goodbye.